you talking? Welcome to my channel, Hot Fun Around, and today we're going to open up my copy from Rainbow High Cheerleaders. So as you can see, she has two pom-poms that can come off. Her shoes is all orange on her. And on the bottom you can see from around here that you can see the purple, the pink girl, the red girl. Here's the orange one, Poppy. And I know Sunny, and then the rest goes to the side. This girl and this girl, and we'll deal with the rest. And on the back, I have all the girls in the line, and then they have their own. They already have their own song. It says, "Color, style, look so fly. We're the girls of Rainbow High." So let's get unboxing. She's cheerleading, not doing football. If she was doing football, then she'll be running and falling. But I guess cheerleading is good for her feet. She can move her parts really well. Yep. The flamingo pose. She can do the flamingo pose. Oh. Back off. I was expected with the other one doing the flamingo pose. Woohoo! And falling. Everybody loves the flamingo pose. She can move all her hand parts except her fingers. So she's the first person in the cheerleading all for me. I don't have no. This is my first one. Oh my goodness. She has a clip that says sparkle over here with her butterfly accessory. So for gems. I try to look like her. I don't have any ponytail. But I have a ponytail. just combing her hair. She's at the hair salon.